This week's Torah portion, Lekh, Lekha, I'd like to take us to Tunisia, to the island of Djerba. I'd like to focus on Rabbi Avraham Cohen, lived in the 19th century, very prominent figure, a trader by day, a Torah teacher, Kabbalist by night. One of the books he wrote a commentary on the Bible, Avraham. We're going to focus on that to understand the Torah portion of Avraham Avinu of Lekh, Lekha. Among the things that happen in this week's Torah portion, we're told that Avraham is given blessings by God, right? V'aschale goy gadol, you'll be a great nation, and so on and so forth. The Midrash teaches us, or asks a question, how do we know that Birkat Kohanim, right, the blessing that Kohanim give the Israelites, why are we worthy of Birkat Kohanim? And the Midrash answers, it's thanks to Avraham Avinu. So Rabbi Avraham Cohen from Djerba asked, his first question is, he doesn't even understand the Midrash's question. What's the point of asking, why were the Israelites worthy of Birkat Kohanim? Why not just ask, why are we worthy of the Torah? Right? The Birkat Kohanim is part and parcel of the Torah. What differentiates Birkat Kohanim from the Torah? First, we need to understand that, he says, and that's simple. He says, notice that the Torah is a conditional gift. Vaya ekif tishme'un, if you will listen, vaya im shamoa tishme'u. Time and again, we are told the Bible is if, then. That's the way the Bible works. It is a conditional gift. Unlike Birkat Kohanim, the blessing of the Cohenites, that is an unconditional gift. It is there regardless of how we behave, what happens, we will always get it. So he says, first we need to understand the Midrash is asking a great question. Why are we worthy of this unconditional gift that is hidden within this conditional gift of the Torah? Why do we deserve Birkat Kohanim? We now understand the great question. Now, how does it derive from Avraham? So the Midrash tells us, it gives an answer, because with Avraham it says, Ko yezarecha, the word ko, so shall be your, from you will come. And with Birkat Kohanim it says, Ko tevachu, so you shall bless. The appearance of the word ko here and ko there, so and so, means there's a connection. But for our Rabbi Avraham from Tunisia, it's not enough. He says, but what is the secret of the word ko? What is it hiding in it, right? It's Hasidish. He brings a Byzantine Kabbalistic book called Sefer HaTmuna, which teaches us that the word ko is actually derived of two things. It's compiled of the 22 letters, kafbet otiyot of the alphabet, Hebrew alphabet, right? Ko has a numeric value of 25. That is the 22 Hebrew alphabet, and the 3 Jewish castes. What are the 3 Jewish castes? The Kohanim, the Leviim, and the Israelites, right? Notice that when we say Birkat Kohanim itself, Rabbi Avraham teaches us, is in fact the Hebrew alphabet. How do we know this? It's known, he says, but if you look at the word Birkat Kohanim, it is an acronym, right? The first letter here and the first letter there is Kafbet. It's the 22 Hebrew alphabet letters, which symbolize the letters which we are saying, letters which create a blessing, a downpouring that is an unconditional blessing, which derives from Avraham. He's the first person that can bless, regardless if people are worthy or not, and that is what is hinted in Birkat Kohanim, Kafbet, the 22 letters through which we have endless power to bless. Birkat Kohanim requires these 3 castes. It requires the Levites to wash the hands, feet of the Kohanim. The Kohanim then give the blessing, and the Israelites have to answer. Thus 3 plus the 22 together is 25. This is how we know that Ko with Avraham hints at Birkat Kohanim, which is then why it says in Birkat Kohanim, Ko tevarchu, so you shall bless. Some ideas and thoughts from the great Rabbi Avraham Cohen from Djerba, Tunisia, from the mid-late 19th century. Shabbat Shalom.